In this video, we're going to look at how we can use Pythagoras' theorem to find one of the shorter sides of our right-angled triangles. Well, Pythagoras' theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's where our two shorter sides are a and b, and our longest side, our hypotenuse, is c. So in this case, we know what c and b are. We need to find out what a are. Well, we can rearrange our formula to find that a squared is equal to c squared minus b squared. Or in other words, for this example, it'd be 10 squared take away 8 squared. So let's do that. 10 squared take away 8 squared. Well, 10 squared, 10 times 10 gives us 100. And 8 squared, 8 times 8 gives us 64. So we have 100 take away 64. Now 100 take away 64 will give us 36. So this 36 is our length A, but it's squared. So we've got to undo that by doing a square root. So we do a square root of 36. Well, what number times by itself will give us 36? That's going to be 6. So our answer for this first one is going to be 6 centimetres. Okay, let's now try another one. This time we have a hypotenuse of 17 centimetres. One of our shorter sides is 4 centimetres. You'll notice the other shorter side this time, but it doesn't actually make any difference to what we need to do. And we've got to find this shorter side down the bottom. So again, we've got to take our hypotenuse and square it. So 17 squared. Take away 4 squared. Well, 17 squared, that's 17 times 17, and that gives us 289. And we're subtracting 16. 4 times 4 gives us 16. Well, 289 take away 16 is going to give us 273. Again, that's going to be this length here squared, so we've got to undo that by square rooting it. So the square root of 273, well, we can use a calculator to work that out. So if we put in to our calculator square root 273, and we get an answer, so let's round it to 2 decimal places, of 16.52. So that means this shorter side here down the bottom is going to be 16.52 centimetres, and that's to 2 decimal places. Okay, now here's one for you to have a go on your own. So if you just want to pause the video here, we've got this time a hypotenuse of 76 centimetres. One of our shorter sides is 44 centimetres. We want to find our other shorter side. So for this one here, we'd have to do 76 squared and subtract 44 squared. So 76 squared, we'll use a calculator for that. 76 squared gives us 5,776. And we're subtracting 44 squared. That's 1,936. Now when we do that subtraction, we get 3,840. Of course, that gives us this length squared, so we've got to undo that by doing a square root. So the square root of 3,840, again, we'll use our calculator for that. And we get 61.9677. We'll round that to 2 decimal places again. It becomes 61.97. So this shorter length here to 2 decimal places is going to be 61.97 centimetres. And that will be our answer for this question. Make sure to like and subscribe for more maths videos.